Hello everybody, this is Steve-O back. Anyways, haven't seen you guys in a while. Just been busy with everything. I went ahead and had a seizure. Went ahead and had this arm dislocated, this arm dislocated. This arm can only go this far. I got a metal plate in this arm. Caught Steven Johnson syndrome, so I had to go to Dayton burn unit, Dayton Hospital. But anyways, I'm back. I had a little Honda Civic, 98 Honda Civic, tried to do up, but I can't stay away from the mini trucks. It's a 2000 Ford Ranger, 3.0 liter V6 5-speed. I blacked out the grill, the bottom of the turning signals, the front bumper because it was rusty. Blacked out the wheels. It's got some rust. Put a fender flare there. I've got seats from a 2011 Ford Ranger. You have to switch the whole seat bracket for it to fit. See, this back bracket is different. It's different than that one. So because of that, the seat won't set right. See, it's not even bolted down. But this truck has got 263,000 miles on it. So I'm putting a new clutch in it. I started getting some of the stuff taken out, drive shaft and stuff. I heated up the front springs for right now. That's the other seat. But anyways, in the bed, I've got a good amount of parts. So, I am attempting to do this and put this on a video for you guys, so if you want to attempt this too. These are Chevy Trailblazer rear trailing arms to mount their rear end, the factory rear end. Anyways, I've got bag brackets for the front, and then I got these. Now these do not fit. Yeah, they do not fit, so I've got to modify it. Watch out for the size, the width, if you're gonna do this. Anyways, I've got new clutch. I've got speaker pods to go in the door panels. I'm going to do that custom. I got a bolt-in C-notch that my friend Clayton gave me for an S10 with all the hardware there. I'm going to put it on the Ranger. Modify it and put it on the Ranger. I've got this is what the flip kit is. See, it off-centers it if you're wanting to build your own. If you're wanting to build your own, they're both the same way. But anyways, I was gonna just put the flip kit on it, but no, screw it. Let's do it the hard way. I've got bottom bag brackets that I've gotten off of eBay for $5, and front bag brackets $5 a piece. So those, maybe those were $10 a piece. I think those are $10 a piece. I got some other miscellaneous brackets. I've got 2 more of those, and I've got front bag cups for an S10, one side, because I sold an S10 with only one side done. Anyways, and I got some other bag brackets, miscellaneous bag brackets, and I've got rims, 17-inch Whistler wheels to put on the Ranger. I painted the centers black, but I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, it's got rust on the bed. I really need to find another bed, or I might go the cheap route and just put Ford Ranger, the Ford Ranger like edge fender flares, which cover it all, instead of that one. That's a modified F-150 one. But I'm gonna put the license plate in the back, cut the back bumper off. Oh, and I'm doing this now, uploading this now. Anyways, I'm wanting to go to Camp and Drag in July, so in Lake Waveland, Indiana. So yeah, I got to get this all done by then. I routed the wires and everything for the kicker. This seat doesn't like to cooperate. I mounted all the wires right. I've got a kicker sound system in it, just a cheap kicker sound system. I'm probably going to be running this switch box. I had this one on my Dodge Shadow. I might end up running that. This switch is junk. It won't move at all, but so I have to get one switch, but I could just do front and then back on the sides or whatever, or just back and then front on the sides. I'm gonna paint that and paint the door panels. So I've got a bunch of work to do. Plus 350 Vortec that the cam bearings are bad. It's another fucking project. I don't have enough projects. Then I've got a Nissan Sentra that I'm sanding down, gonna put a new paint job, and I've got to put a new water pump, valve cover gaskets, a bunch of other stuff to it. Golf cart I tried to work on, but I'm not good at golf carts. Not good at all. Oh, and one of my bicycles, it's a Concord Selecta 12. I've got a bunch of bikes, 29 Hawthorne, Comet Jr., and a bunch of them. And yes, the Nova is still setting here. I messed with it a little bit, but really haven't messed with it. There's one of the air tanks. That's a 2.5 gallon air tank. And then I've got a 5 gallon air tank. Remember that old YouTube sticker? Yeah. Anyways, I got that Via Air 5 gallon air tank that I probably use. So I'll probably end up using that one. But I will let you guys go. I would hold this with my other arm like I usually do, but it doesn't help. I can't do it with this arm. But anyways, I will let you guys go and continue working on this truck and kind of give you guys updates as I can. As I get my lazy ass off the seat and actually do some videos. But I'll let you go. Have a good day.